In a quiet valley filled with green hills and singing birds, there lived a kind shepherd who had 100 sheep. Each sheep had a name, and the shepherd knew them all. He called them by name every morning, and they followed him gladly because they trusted his voice. One day, as the sun rose and the dew sparkled on the grass, the shepherd noticed something strange. 97, 98, 99, he counted again. One is missing. It was little Lami, the youngest sheep. She was curious and often wandered off, but the shepherd always found her. This time, she had gone farther than ever. Without wasting a moment, the shepherd left the 99 in a safe place and grabbed his staff. He climbed hills, crossed streams, and walked through thorny paths. His sandals tore, his hands bled, but he didn't stop. His love was too strong to forget even one sheep. Meanwhile, Lami was lost. She had followed a butterfly, not realizing she had strayed far from the flock. When she looked up, the fields were empty. The butterflies were gone. It was quiet, too quiet. She began to cry, scared and alone. Suddenly, she heard a voice, familiar and full of love. "Lami, where are you?" It was her shepherd. She bleated as loudly as she could, and the shepherd ran toward the sound. He picked her up gently, hugged her close, and smiled with tears in his eyes. "I found you," he whispered joyfully. Then he did something surprising. He didn't scold her. Instead, he lifted her onto his shoulders and danced all the way home. He called his friends and neighbors and shouted, "Rejoice with me! My little sheep was lost, but now she's found." And the other 99? They didn't complain. They understood that love always goes after the one that's lost.